Hi, everybody. Today I will guide everyone how to create an account on Windows 10. First, people will click on the Start icon. Next, we will select the Settings icon. We choose Accounts. Continue selecting Family or Other Users. Now to create an account on Windows 10 computer, everyone select Add someone else to this PC. Click on the line, I don't have this person's sign-in information. Select Add a user without a Microsoft account. In the first line, everyone will fill in the computer name. In the second line, everyone will fill in the password. When unlocking the computer, the third line is the password confirmation line. This password will be the same as the password above. Next, everyone will scroll down here. This is a secret question, so everyone can recover their password. When people forget, then everyone will choose the question and answer. Everyone choose a question and answer. In case people do not want to set a password for their computer, then everyone can delete it. Then when people unlock their computers, there will be no password. Everyone chooses Next. So we have created an account on the computer. Now, we'll log into this account by going to Start. Everyone chooses the humanoid icon. And everyone will see the new account we just created. To log in, people choose that account. Select Sign In. Select Accept. So I have promised everyone how to create an account on Windows 10. If you watch the video and find it interesting, remember to give me a like, a share, and a subscription to the channel. Thank you so much everyone. Hello, and see you again.